Hello mga ka-UVJ, ako ulit. So, tingnan natin. Para po sa mga new subscriber natin dyan, maraming salamat po. Para po sa mga nag-like, nag-comment, thank you. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate today, thank you po in advance. So, meron tayong unexpected ngayon. Ang klaseng unexpected. So, tingnan natin, Virgo. First week ng April. Ano meron? First week ng April. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. So, vice versa po ito. Tingnan natin. Maring naganap na magaganap pa lang po or kasalukuyang nagaganap. So, first week ng April. Two of water agad. Ako'y atay. Moon garden. Ay! Shining. Sa palagay niyo, Virgo, upload ko pa to. Alam ko na. It's about to go down. Alam ko na. Sana ano na lang ako. Tawag niya. 26 may be significant. Bakit ko nasabing 26? 2 plus 18, 20 plus 8, plus 6, 26. Or 18 is significant or 6 or 2. Pero on the spot, Virgo, this is a love reading. Bottom of the deck. Sabi ko na nga ba may unexpected tayo dito eh. Sige. Ituloy natin ang dapat ituloy. Wala tayong magagawa. Don't shoot the messenger po. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate na Virgo, hindi po natin alam kung new or past or sa mga Virgo po na stable naman ang relationship, hindi po para sa inyo to. You can scroll down po. Okay. Para po sa mga Virgo na still looking or still healing, I don't know kung para sa inyo to, pero sa nakikita ko dito, this is a love reading. Sorry to say, very unexpected. Kahit ako na-shock with the Tower card. Excuse me. So, tingnan natin. First week ng April, grabe naman ang bukana sa akin. Victory card. Nasa public eye, Virgo. May maliit na offer dito or regalo. Page of Pentacles. Or maybe merong information din dito. I'm a Virgo. Ang Page of Pentacles, ito kaya ito nang ginamit ko na card eh. Ayan po, para malaman nyo. Sometimes it can represent manifestation, reflection, financial opportunity, skill development, ambition, desire, diligence, news, and information. So, sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa dalawang card na to, Victory card, 2 of Cups. Clarify ko pa nga, bago ko manghusga dito ng ano. King of Wands. 8 sa trabaho. Sorry, makikilala mo to. Sa trabaho mo, Virgins. Kung sino man to. Knight of Pentacles. Puro Pentacles in fairness. Ang King of Wands is a go-getter card. Very fiery energy. As I said, para po sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate about sa love kind of thing, okay naman ang relationship mo, stable naman mo, wala naman pong problema, then this is not for you po. Pero po para po sa mga Virgong alam nyo sa sarili nyong this is your reading, then you can stick with me. Okay. Justice card, Virgo. Three of Cups. Ace of Wands. Ang papositive pati. Ay. Wala akong nakitang nega dito. Merong kaming... merong magra-rush in ditong invitation, Virgo. Wala sa hulog ang sinasabi nito, magdududa ka sa sasabihin nito, but at the same time, I think, yun ang magiging mitya. It will start on the invitation. Okay? Invitation, celebration, friendship, collaboration, community, happiness. Tapos doon siya magsisimula, Virgo. I think, till I met you, then that I knew what love was. Ay, freaking, sa kita ko, nasa public eye itong person na to. It will start at small, okay. Giver din to, masasabi ko. Okay, kasi Page of Pentacles to the Knight of Pentacles to the Justice card. I think this person is fair. Okay. Reliable ba to? Judgment card tsaka Nine of Pentacles. This person, hindi siya broke. May sinabi din to. With the Judgment card, I think nasa public eye to when it regards to work. Magaling siya. Okay. Magaling siya sa kung anong field man ito, Virgo. At saka Nine of Pentacles, very attractive. Gusto mo ipakita ko? Financial independence, pre. Financial stability, pre. Reliable. Nasasabi kong reliable. Ay, yun na nga tumutunog sa ano ko. Isip ko na, till I met you. Sino nga kumanta nun? I never knew what love was till I met you. Kingin na, napapakanta ako. Ayop na yan. So, Virgo. Okay. As I said, para po sa mga Virgo na hindi makaresonate, scroll po tayo dyan. Okay. So, kung nakaresonate, hit me up, Virgo. Tingnan natin. Clarify the moon guard. So, sa mga hindi pa makaresonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, ang ganda. Walang nega, pre. Lahat positive. Financial, the bag, it's there. Generous, oh yeah. Passionate, oh yeah. Ay, Virgo, sandali nga. Sensya na, na-distract ako eh. So, hindi. Kinilig lang ako ng konti. The Moon Guard. Clarify the Moon Guard. The Moon Guard. Grabe mukha na ng April mo. Day. Oof, the Devil Guard. Skeleton in the closet, the High Priestess. Ang galing. Pag ang the Devil card mo is pinartneran po ng... Ang Devil card pinartneran ng intuition o... para tong microscope eh. Sandali. King of Swords, the World card, Nine of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, been through a lot. Virgo, ano na tayo? The Moon card, Virgo. The Moon card represent all about secrets, hidden in the dark, mga flaws mo na hindi nakikita ng ibang tao. Kumbaga, let's just say maskara. Or mga ginagawa mo na walang nakakaalam. Like, secrets, let's just say. Clarify siya ng Devil card at saka High Priestess, Virgo. So, ibig sabihin, ang Devil card po is overindulgence. Overindulge obsession, addiction. Gusto may pakita ko. Sige. Shadow self. Nagbabati, hindi nagpo-focus. Shadow self, attachment, addiction, temptation, destructive behavior, materialism, codependence. Pero pag pinartneran nyo po yan ng high priestess, alam na. Together with the merong obsession to Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang may hidden addiction or hidden attachment or may tendency ka maging codependent. Pero I don't think so. Kasi ang Virgo, I think, sila yung mga sa kanila nagiging codependent. You know what I mean? Sorry to say. For the Virgos po na mga fully, highly awakened. Kasi meron po tayong mga Virgos na still tulog pa rin. Meaning to say, pag ang Virgo na highly enlightened, madalas po talaga silang nakaka-attract ng mga toxic, let's just say, person. Okay. So, para po sa mga Virgo na alam nyo na dumaan na kayo ng dark night of the soul, medyo going through healing multiple times. Okay, so this is definitely for you. You are still attracting something, you know. Pero I think, you know better with the high priestess. So, which is a good thing. Kutob mo agad. May tinatago ka, pre. Ay, pre, galing ako dyan, day. Alam ko yan, huwag ka na magsikreto. Kasi dyan din ako galing. Ay, hindi tayo talo, day. Ayaw ko ba? Sorry, Virgo. Sorry. Sorry po. Hindi ko na mapigilan. So, sa nakikita ko dito, cut off agad yan. Cut off agad with the King of Swords. I think, in a very strategical way, with the World card. Shung. The World card is ending something in order to begin new one. Kung hindi ka magbabago, and then, goodbye, bro. Goodbye, sis. You are not the type of person, Virgo, na ikaw is meron ka nang addiction, tapos you are going to hang out with some addiction, but it's gonna be a lot, Virgo. So, sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, malalaman mo agad or maaamoy mo agad kapag ka merong tinatago, which is bibigyan mo ng chances pero in a very analytical way. Okay, may chances ka pero para sa iyo cut off na. Kung codependent ka, I will still give you a chance. Everybody deserves a second chance. Pero hindi ka na makakatatlo sa akin. Okay. 9 of Cups to the Queen of Pentacles, which means you pinanindigan mo kung ano sinasabi mo. Queen of Pentacles to the King of Swords, definitely. Kung meron kang demonyo, meron din ako, pre. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Okay. Hindi mo pwedeng itago sa akin yan or something stabbing in the back, pre, kasi I've been there. I know na. Okay. I know. Multiple challenges when it regards to love. Tapos, meron namang love na parating, very unexpected. Alam mo na kung anong mga moves mo, Virgo. Kumbaga, meron kang, alam mo yung board sa, yung coach na meron. dito ka. Tapos, pagpasa ng doon, dito ka. Nakaplano na yan, pre. Kasi, tingnan mo naman. Tingnan mo naman. I get, anong tawag niyan? You get through it over and over and over, Virgo. I think, sadyang nakaka-attract ka talaga. So, I'm sorry to say. So, I think expert ka na sa field na ganito. Malalaman mo agad kung ang tao is codependent, may addiction, or may something. Okay. So, automatically cut off sa'yo, not that cut off talaga totally. Bibigyan mo pa siya ng chance, pero I think it's gonna be in another way. kung ang treatment mo sa kanya at first is like genuine, I think in the second time around meron ng mitya. I mean, ang tawag niyan, noted mo na, may palatandaan ka na, so hindi na makakatatlo sa'yo. So gets mo ako? Okay, you mean it, you say it, you mean it, Virgo, with the Queen of Pentacles. You are focusing more on your desire and your goals dito. You have no time. Temperance cards, as I said, tiptoeing ka na lang. One foot in, one foot out. Kung sino man to. Hindi mo naman sila hinuhusgahan. I mean, ayaw mo lang ng mga BS ulit dito. So, yun ang nakikita ko sa second row. Tingnan natin sa love card. Nandito na tayo. Dan 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 dan. Clarify the love card for my Virgo. Ayun na, sorry lang naman. Bibig ko talaga. Tingnan mo naman ang tsura niya. Hello. Merong isa, sa love na to, merong isang leon talaga dito eh. Pero, ang love ang nagpapakalma dito eh. Ay, tignan natin. Ano ba yan? Bakit parang... Ang sign mo dito, Virgo, meron kang makikitang dalawang pilar. I don't know, basta parang ganito. Ewan ko, something in the park or something. Meron kang nagbabiyahe ka, basta meron kang makikitang ganito. Tapos merong, I don't know, something... Basta, yun ang sign. Nikilig ako. Ano ba yan? Clarify the love card. Come on. Clarify the love card. Ew. Shoot. Emperor card. At saka... Pre. Boss energy. Commander. Okay. As I said, meron Leon dito eh. Ay, pero ay, wait lang. Sandali. Kinilig lang ako ng konti. So, hindi nyo pwedeng makita yun. So, the love card. Boss card energy. As I said, meron tayo ditong Leon. So, kaya pala. Kasi boss energy siya. Meron naman tayo ditong Queen of Wands. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay, so, whew, heavy. Heavy duty. What else? Alam niyo naman po ang Queen of Wands, di po ba? Courage, confident, independent, focused, zest for life, determination. Okay. Very determined person, very passionate. Okay. Ay, the same thing naman sa Emperor. Ako makambuan ba? Yan naman, ang ano ng Emperor, di ba? Good combination. We'll see. Boss energy. Para po sa mga ano dyan na nakaka-relate sa mga boss, boss nyo, humahanga sa'yo. Magician card. The Queen of Swords. 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. Ay. Ayan. And 4 of Wands. 5 of Pentacles. 10 of Cups. Merong abandonadong ano dito. Pero may new beginning naman. I think both of this person merong something going on. Ang Emperor card po is a father card. Father card din. Pamilyado. Okay. Or kung hindi naman, marami lang obligasyon. Pero regarding sa merong inabandon na dito eh. Kasi 4 of Wands at saka 10 of Pentacles. Ay 10 of Cups, you know what is this, Virgo? This is a marriage card, this is a family card, this is a home card, celebration card, mission accomplished card. Okay, but at the same time, merong 5 of Pentacles at saka 8 of Cups dito, which is abandon na. 7 of Cups, confusing card. Okay, pero I think, hindi ko alam kung galing to sa breakup or galing to sa separation or divorce kind of thing. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Tingnan natin. Page of Cups. What else? Merong restart dito. So, sa nakikita ko, Virgo, either both of you is meron ng something going on. I mean, both separate lives. I mean, hindi meron kang going on by yourself. Hindi siya connected doon. Okay, meron din siya. Both of you meron kayong separate worlds. Okay. Kasi nasa labo tayo eh. Ang hirap kasi. Ang hirap i-interpret eh. Emperor at saka Queen of Wands. Okay. Kung sino man to para sa iyo, Virgo, I think this is love. Hindi ko na masasabing kung sino man to para sa iyo. This is definitely partnership. Merong isa dito na nag-abandon na ng sitwasyon or obligasyon, okay, in order to start somewhere else. Meron siyang may na-manifest na gusto niyang mangyari somewhere. Okay, so sick and tired na sa sitwasyon na kung saan siya nanggaling. Okay, bakit ko nasabi yan? Meron siyang Ace of Pentacles dito. Ready siyang mag-build ulit somewhere. I think both of you. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, kung hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, ha? Okay, wala po tayong pilitan dito. Para po sa mga ka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Pero itong person na to, meron tong minamanifest na iba. Seven of Pentacles to the willing tong mag-effort. Okay, willing mag-invest. Okay. Kasi meron ditong false with the Tower card, false foundation. Ang Tower card po, 100% false foundation, unexpected, expect the unexpected, okay, all of a sudden. At the same time, ang Tower po is a false foundation. It needs to go down. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, meron akong naririnig na it's about to go down. Baka ito na tong pang third row. Meron kang pinagdaanan, hindi nag-work out multiple times. I think this person as well. Pero ang magkaiba nga lang, hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang boss energy dito or yung another person ng boss energy. But I think one of you is the boss energy here. Okay. Go-getter energy command. You know what I mean, Virgo? In some point, nagtatry siya in many option with the Seven of Cups and the Page of Cups. Ang dami niyang trinay. Or I think ikaw din, nagtry ka in multiple option dito. But there is nothing in there. It's very cold. Ang lamig. Parang freezer. So, you need to walk away, you know what I mean, and but willing to invest pa rin at the same time. You know what I mean. Willing mag-invest at the same time, pero in a very strategically way. Meron tayong Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is all about intelligence. It's all about thinking. It's all about the mind. Gets mo? So, hindi ma-repeat itself yung sitwasyon. So, yung nakikita ko dito, Virgo, ready to build another new life with the Four of Wands and the Ten of Cups. Itong dalawang to, kung sino man yan. Hey, may similarity ang mga sitwasyon nyo, or ikaw, Virgo, may similarity ka. May similar talaga. Both of you is heartbroken or broken family or something in that line. Okay. Or obligation lang. There's a lot of obligation. So, parehas kayo pushover, parehas kayo pursuer ng mga kung anong gusto nyong mangyari sa pamilya nyo. Ginawa nyo ang pinaka-the best nyo, but at the same time, it falls over and over again. So, you let it happen. Kasi ang the Tower card, false foundation, it needs to go down talaga. Kasi pag false foundation, ibig sabihin, ang false foundation po is ginawa nyo na akala mo yun na yun pero hindi pala. So, universe at saka yung divine nag-create ng illusion sa reality. Pwede ba yun? Illusion sa reality. Nag-create ng foundation na false para matuto kayo. I mean, separate ways. Matuto kayo, maging expert kayo, maging valedictorian, salutatorian kayo sa sitwasyon. Meaning to say, the right person will come kung talagang fully let go ka na, tsaka fully, the more kasi na hindi ka naghahanap ng love, the more it comes. The more na na-heal ka na, the more na merong darating ulit. Nagigits mo ako, Virgo, pag alam mo, tanggap mo na sa sarili mo na it is what it is. It's about to go down. So, let it go and let it fly. Hindi ka na nag-expect ng something and then bang, mamalayan mo na lang it's knocking on your door. Yun lang masasabi ko dito, Virgo. King ina, parang naging advisor na tuloy ako ng ano ba yan, Virgo? Kaya nga ayoko ng love eh. Hindi naman ako ganun ka-bitter. Okay. Wala lang ako sa posisyon para magsalita ng ganun. Ewan ko ba. Sorry lang. Ish. Para akong nasi-CR na. Ewan ko ba. Yung gut feeling ko, hindi ko alam kung butterfly ang nandito. Ewan. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. What is the advice for my Virgo, please? False foundation kasi meron parating on new beginning. Paras pati workaholic. Focus on long-term future. 10 of Cups, 4 of Wands. Matching energy. Paras fire yan, no? Emperor at saka Queen of Wands. The energy is gaining momentum. Definitely. Virgo, surrender to the divine. A time for healing, as I said. So, look at the bigger picture. So, yun ang advice sa'yo dito, Virgo. Kung saan man mag-fit sa'yo yan. But I think, you're good. Okay, you're good at it. It will come in the right time. I think, nandito na siya. May travel ako nakikita malakas. Virgo. Tingnan natin kung ano ang advice sa'yo. Malakas ang travel dito. Tingnan natin. What is the advice for my angel message number? Meron kang 10. Meron kang king, nag-pass away, masculine energy, mga around, naman ko, basta lolo or something. Ganyan. 10-3, 10-3-6 Virgo. So, 10-3-6 Virgo, maaaring makaresonate yan sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. Google mo siya. Angel message number 10-3-6. So, that's what I have for you, Virgo, for now. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda na, patabagang, basta ang ganda. Ang ganda pero hindi ganun kadali. Okay, so you know better, Virgo. Sitwasyon mo yan. So use your own discernment, Virgo. So this is what I have for you. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.